We take you back to where you began. You began at the life fountain where all dreams are only as far as your imagination. You forgot your imagination. Put your foot in the water. Remember, remember. Ah, the water is
What
so
happens?
warm. It's
Mm-hmm.
so warm, but it's tingling.
Mm-hmm.
When I touched the water, it formed feet, but it's translucent. I am one with the water. I am I am one with the water. Ah, there are things under the water.
What do you see under the water?
Like like fishes, but not fishes.
What do they look
looks
like?
like a dolphin,
Mm-hmm.
but a dolphin with hands
Hmm.
holding me in the water. I hear the chanting, remember, remember, remember.
Who's chanting this?
The dolphins
Mm-hmm.
or the dolphin people.
Ask them.
You are the love, you are the light.
Mm-hmm.
You are the love, you are the light. I'm lighting up.
Mm.
I'm lighting up. Oh,
How does that feel to
it
light
feels
up?
so good. I'm a light. I'm
Mm-hmm.
a light. I'm a light. It feels as if I am the stream of water.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
have a body. I have a body. I have a body. I have a blue body.
Describe it for me.
My feet, they have something in the toes, between the toes.
Mm-hmm. Is it webbed?
Webbed, yes, webbed.
Yes.
I wiggle my toes. Ah,
Yes.
my hands, they're webs.
Mm-hmm.
My hand, them things between the fingers, they're webbed.
Mm-hmm.
I am a part of the family. I am a part of this dolphin family.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome home. You remember.